Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the cookie series and this is episode 2. So today we're going to be making Nankhatai, which is a traditional northern Indian sweet biscuit. It's kind of like shortbread. They're small and round, and typically it's made with ghee, type of clarified butter, but we can use any sort of unsalted butter as well and it works perfectly fine. We're going to be garnishing this with a little bit of flaked almond on top. You could also use pistachio or some dried rose petals, which also works very well. The full recipe will be linked down below. Be sure to give this a big thumbs up and subscribe down below for more content. Thank you. To get started, first we need to whip our ghee using a hand mixer on medium speed, beating the ghee to incorporate air and make it light and fluffy. Do this for around 5 minutes. Then add de-icing sugar using a rubber spatula, folding the sugar until incorporated. Then use a hand mixer to further beat the mixture for another 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so now that we've creamed the ghee, the clarified butter, and the sugar together, I'm just going to sieve all the dry ingredients and then add them into the mixture. Using a rubber spatula or a wooden spoon, gently combine the mixture until a rough dough is formed. Add the almond extract at the end and mix to combine again. Shape into a ball and let rest for 10 to 15 minutes. To make sure that each Nankhatai is the same size, weigh out each of them to around 20 grams. Then roll them into a ball and using your index finger, indent the top of the ball so it flattens slightly. Okay, so now I've just put the almond flakes on top. Here we are. So you can see that there. So now we're going to bake them at 180 degrees gas mark 4 for around 10 to 12 minutes until light and golden brown. Okay, so the Nankhatai just come out of the oven and oh, they look so good. So here they are. They've got all the cracks in the right places. They're like slightly powdery and they're very delicate, but oh, can't wait to eat one.